Imagine adding 54 plus 26 in your head in just 3 seconds. Watch this. 4 plus 6, 10. 50 plus 20, 70. Boom! 80. Want the secret? Stick with me. Have you ever tried adding numbers in your head and just frozen? Vedic Maths has a beautiful little trick for exactly this moment. It's called completing the whole. And today, we're going to understand it so well, you'll be able to use it all by yourself. And stick around.
Woo!
At the end, I'll show you how to get your name into my next video. Here's today's mission. By the end of this video, you'll add big numbers like 26 plus 44 in your head in just 3 seconds. No fingers, no paper, no calculator. Ready? Look at this circle. 9 and 1. 8 and 2. 7 and 3. 6 and 4. 5 and 5. Every single pair completes a perfect 10. Our brain loves round numbers. So instead of wrestling with awkward digits, we just complete the 10 first. But wait, our numbers have 2 digits, not 1. Here's the secret. Every 2-digit number is really just 10s and 1s hiding together. Let's look closely. 26, that's 2 10s and 6 1s. 44, that's 4 10s and 4 1s. See how every number splits into 2 friendly pieces? 10s are easy to add on their own. So let's handle the 1s first and see if they make a nice round 10 too. 26 plus 44. We already split them. 20 and 6. 40 and 4. Look at the ones. 6 and 4. That's a perfect 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 20 plus 40 is 60. Now just add them together. 60 plus 10 equals 70. Let's try a new one. All by yourself this time. 48 plus 32. Split them. 40 and 8. 30 and 2. Look at the ones. 8 and 2. Perfect 10 again. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 10 equals 80. See? Same trick, brand new numbers. So remember, split your number into 10s and 1s, find the pair that makes 10 and add it all up. This works best when your 1s make a perfect pair, just like on our circle. When they don't, that's a trick for another day. Numbers love making groups of 10. And now, so do you. Now it's your turn. I've got 2 problems for you to try. No help this time. Grab a pencil and let's go. Here's that big surprise. Type your answer in the comments, just the number. And if you're right, I'll put your name on screen at the start of my next video. Imagine your friends seeing that. Problem number 1. 39 plus 21. You have 45 seconds. Starting now. Still 20 seconds. Come on, you've got this. Last 10 seconds. Time's up. Let's check. 39 plus 21 equals 60. Yes, you did it right. Ready for problem number 2?
This one's worth double!
At the end, comment like this. Your name, answer 1, answer 2. Like Arjun, comma, 60, comma, you get it. Top of my featured list. 57 plus 13. 45 seconds. Go!
Still 20 seconds. Come on, you've got this.
Last 10 seconds. Time's up. 57 plus 13 equals 70. Yes! You did it right. You're a maths ninja. That's the magic of completing the whole. Try it with your own numbers. And subscribe for more Vedic Maths tricks. Wait! Did you comment yet? Pause right now and write it. Your name, answer 1, answer 2. I read every single one. And the winners' names go up first in the next video. Will yours be there? See you soon!